Hello and welcome to the first introduction video about Genetic Builder. In this video you'll see what the program looks like, and we'll also generate some real strategies just to show you how simple it is. First, I'll give you a short introduction to the program. The user interface is divided into several screens. The first screen that you'll see right after the start is the home page. It contains some sample settings, some useful links, and news about the program. Data screen is where we choose data for the strategy backtest, and where we can also manage the history data. This is a clean installation, and you can see that I already have history data for the major pairs. Third screen is the build panel. This is where you can choose the mode of operation and start or stop the building process. The settings screen allows you to configure the strategies that you want the builder to generate. In the strategies option, you can configure general things like the biggest and the smallest size of stop loss, also maximum period for indicators, and so on. In the building blocks, you can choose which of the building blocks should be used for the strategy, and in strategy rankings you can choose how to rank the strategy. The last screen is results. This is where you'll see the generated strategies. I'll now show you how easy it is to generate new strategies in Genetic Builder. We can use one of the sample build settings, so I'll switch to the home page and click on the price-based random strategies. This loads the configuration for the sample settings. If I look to the settings, building blocks, I can see that only the price values and some comparison operators are checked, so our strategies will consist only of these building blocks. In the strategy rankings option, I can configure how many top strategies I want to store in the databank for later review, and the program should dismiss strategies with negative results. Now I can choose the data and the time frame I want the builder to build on. I can do this in the data screen, and there I'll choose the Euro, USD, and the 1 hour time frame. Now all I have to do is start the building process in the build panel. You can see that I'm using the random generation mode because it is much faster and simpler to understand than genetic evolution. I click the start and the program starts building the strategies. Now you can see that some of the strategies are dismissed and the strategies that pass the test are filled into the databank. We can sort the strategies by net profit, and when I double-click on the strategy, it will open in the results window above. I can check the equity curve or the rules that the strategy is based on. I can also export this strategy to a MetaTrader source code if I want. So, that was the basics of building the strategies, and I believe it's pretty simple to understand. Using the same process, you can easily generate your own strategies. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.